What's going on, guys? It's a windy day in Idaho, but today we're going to take you on a full walkthrough tour of my brand new shop. We're going to show you the new cars we've got in there. We're going to show you the golf simulator, a ton of other fun stuff, and we're going to open the books and show you how much it costs. So with all of that being said, let's jump into it. All right, guys, hopefully you can bear with us for the wind. We're going to head inside soon, but I wanted to show you all that we did on this shop. Now, this started as a dream when I built the house. We said we would build this down the road. There's that Idaho wind that we love so much, and one of the major reasons I need more space to spend time inside instead of outside, because when it's not winter, the spring and fall look kind of like this. First off, I want to take you around the exterior. We decided to do stone on this front portion, which added quite a bit of expense, but we wanted it to match the house. So same stone with the overgrout. What we did a little bit differently with the shop, though, is we decided we wanted to do some of this smart siding, as I think what they call it. It turned out really cool. We're gonna walk over here. We had to re-landscape all of this. I'll put up some before pictures, but we really had to tear up our whole front yard that was all landscaped. In the process of building this, we decided we wanted a cool little place to overlook the yard and to add a pickleball court. And I'd heard of some of my friends have pickleball courts that ended up having settling and cracking, and so we figured we'd put the concrete down and then paint pickleball court in the spring. Now, we didn't really have another option because it was cold, and we got this in just in time for it to set right, so then we can come. But if you turn around here, you can see you've got the whole view of our yard. We put a little reception area over here. We've got the football field, the orchard, our back patio, and we're really excited in the spring to get some swings here and here to kind of overlook the yard. You can also see we have a graveyard. I'll explain, or maybe I won't explain, the story of where that sink came from and why. When we did this, we had to re-landscape all of this, and if you come back here, we ended up needing to do a lot of landscaping out in the back. So we added this rock. We also added a ton of parking, so I can have the work truck and the trailer. Because it was a separate building and we added bathrooms in here, we needed another septic system. We've got one septic over here for the house. We had to add this one back here, but it turned out awesome. You can see we've got windows in here. And what I decided we will do is we added another car, and we have a last car coming this week that I'm super excited about. One of the cars we had to show you today, and we're gonna show you with the shop, and we'll cover that at the end. Now, I wanted a 50 by 50 shop, but as we put it together, we knew this is probably the only other thing we would add to our property, so we wanted to do it right and kind of think ahead. And so we have another 25 by 50, both downstairs and upstairs, that we added some living space and some other really exciting stuff. So we're gonna start there. We'll give you guys the walkthrough, then we'll see if we can end up with the cars as the last thing. I'm really excited to share it with you. Now, if you look here, I'll show you where this is. We wanted a place where kids could come in and out, lawn equipment if we need it in the future, where we could put our razor. It's kind of turned into a little bit of a cardio room for me in the meantime, and we'll see how that evolves with time, but we had extra space, and so we'll show you that when we get inside. Now that we've done that, let's come take a peek inside. All right, one other thing I'm really excited about, we already had cameras throughout our entire house, exterior and some interior. We decided to add them here in the shop as well. And these cameras are really cool because with any motion, they pick it up, but they also turn on lights to hopefully keep people away from doing stuff that they shouldn't. With that, I want to, yeah, let's go inside. All right, guys, this is where this entrance comes in, and I'm super excited to show you what we've got upstairs, downstairs, and most importantly, in the garage. However, before we do that, I want to let you know we are down to 9 spots left for the CDS Vegas retreat. We have a phenomenal group coming, and it is going to be so much fun. And I was meeting with one of the speakers that we've paid to come in, Nate Harris, and just talking about what he has prepared. And I think I'm more excited about this event than I ever have, because the biggest purpose or goal of this event is to take everyone from when they show up and help them look at where they're at, where they want to be, and what they need to do to bridge that gap, whether that's getting into their first rental or, like most of the people coming, figuring out how to scale to the place where they want to be with their real estate portfolio. One of the other things we talked about is right now the fear index, or whatever they call that, is at an all-time high, which means there are more people feeling fear and in turn holding back from investing in real estate right now than ever before. And if you look back historically at those times, they are some of the best times to find phenomenal deals. And so I'm so excited to talk about what we're doing right now to find and purchase real estate with what's going on. And so it's going to be an absolute blast. And I think the last thing I would add is a lot of people come for the real estate investing, but more than anything else, these events help give you clarity with your life, your business, your real estate, and how to bring them all together and get extreme clarity on what your next best step is in all of those categories. So if you're at all interested, the link is down in the description and it should be a blast. So our vision for this is we wanted to make a place where I can bring people in for consulting, for fun, hang out with friends, hang out with family, and make it an awesome hangout for our kids as they head into some of the years where they'll be using a lot of this stuff. Before we dive into the simulator, if you look, we've got a couple fun things. We're gonna have games, all kinds of stuff. Our kids love the wooden bowling. We also set it up so that this is long enough to be able to play cornhole indoors. So when we have those long winters here in Idaho, you've got a lot to do over here. If you come over here, eventually we'd like a lineup of a lot of fun, different gaming options for us and for the kids. But you can pull this out to play cornhole. We've got this for the kiddos. So we've got tons of other fun stuff that we can add over time. I also, at some point, think that I want to put a big TV, but we've been holding off because now that we've started collecting cars a little bit more, it might be cool to put some windows right here that look down on the shop. We definitely should have thought that through before now. I'm kind of regretting that we didn't think about that sooner. Over here, this is my boys, one of their favorite spots. Great place to come, shoot, mess around. And it's been really fun for our family because there's something for everybody to do up here. Why I can golf. Some of my favorite parts of this are me, my brother, and my dad golf a lot. And my brother actually built this for, well, not built, he painted this by hand, made it for me. It was the coolest Christmas gift ever. And my dad got this for me. He actually built that by hand. He has a little wood shop. And as you can see, I've only got 5 balls, just 5 spots worth putting the ball up there, hoping to add a lot more locations as I start to get into golf more. And then over here, we did the golf simulator. Now, we went with one that is up above. I don't even know how to pronounce it. Unicor, I think is how most people pronounce it. But we have been so impressed with this system. And what's really cool is you've got everything here. We also took the lights out of there. And what we found is the best. If you turn these lights off, it gives the best lighting there while still having it lit for where you're going to hit balls. So I'll give you guys a little test. We'll see how far I can hit my 9-iron. I've been working on the form, but I still look like a little bit of a noob, and I can't even use noob. I'm not new to golf. I've been golfing for years. I'm just not good. And I hired a coach this year because I really want to get to the point where I can golf below shooting 100 on 18 holes. So you guys give me a critique. Let me know what you think. Ooh. Now, if you want to come over here, what's really cool is this shows you data on everything, and you can see that I towed that one hard. So we're going to try again and see if we can get one pure for you guys. Man, we might be here all day. Pured that, just didn't come through quite square. One more. Looks like I just need to aim left. Now, there was one thing that I wanted to announce that I've been really excited about. I have done some consulting with people that have asked for real estate, for door-to-door sales, for their business, and it's been a ton of fun. And so I don't want it to be a main thing. However, I've decided to launch 24-hour coaching days. I'm only gonna do one per month. What they're gonna be is you fly in, you stay the night, you hang out, we golf, I take you to my favorite restaurants, but most importantly, we look at your business, your goals, your income, how you want to invest, and we just open up the books for you. We figure out what's gonna be the best strategy for you going forward, how to dial in your buy box, and then we go and tour properties that align with what your strategy ends up being, because the majority of the properties I own are right here in my hometown. And so I've been really excited about this. I sat down with my business coach and life coach and just said, hey, I really love going and touring the properties, checking in. I've done it with a couple friends and family members, and it's really helped them to start getting into investing in real estate. And that's been the one thing people have wanted or needed the most, is just someone to hold their hand and walk through exactly what they need to do as far as their next best step and just getting everything aligned. So again, I'm only gonna do one of these per month, and we might fill up only 1 to 2 months in advance, but I'm going to open this for the first maybe 2 or 3 months in the next 2 to 3 weeks on Instagram. So if that's at all any interest to you, you can hop on there. And again, I'm sure we'll get a backlog. I think what I'm gonna do is just randomly open it up on a random day, because again, this is a passion project for me. I just wanna find cool people. That gives me an opportunity to meet up with 12 people a year that can come, hang out, use the simulator, check out the shop, go for a spin around town, but most importantly, dial in their goals. So if you're interested in that, go follow me on Instagram. All right, now we're gonna go downstairs, and I wanted to show you the apartment. We made this for if our kids come home, and in the meantime, for some of these business consulting 24-hour one-on-one, we gotta figure out what we're gonna call it, because it's a long title. But if you come in here, if you end up coming to one of those, this is where you'll be staying. It's 2 bedrooms. We're still in the process of furnishing it, but we've got 1 bedroom here. We've got 1 bedroom here that we already have the bed. I was gonna wait till everything was finished, but wanted to get this video out there. And then you've got the bathroom in here. I think it turned out awesome. We did white oak throughout our whole house, but I'm in love with these darker finishes lately. And so it's been fun to have another place to come put in some of the stuff that we like. So this is what the apartment looks like. This is gonna be a great place to have friends, family, and do some of these consulting hangouts for 24 hours. I have held really strong to investing first. There were lots of years where I had a strong income and I waited, didn't purchase the cars because I wanted them to be able to be covered with passive income from real estate. And so that is the one thing I will say. The cars are a huge motivation, and now it's become really, really fun for me, especially because we're starting to get into more collector cars that are actually going to go up in value. We have a really cool one coming in this next week, so you'll see that video, but I wanted to come show you what this looks like. So this is the garage, and we still have some room, so I'm excited about that. I actually just sold my boat, so this is gonna be gone because we ordered a new one that's gonna get in. Well, it's actually already in. We're gonna go pick it up this month. I'm sure we'll do a video on that. We have the Porsche Taycan, and then 911s through the ages. Every one of these has been so extremely fun, and one of these days, I might have to take you through and talk about the differences. We've kind of got them lined up from extremely raw feel, and they slowly get less and less raw. Both of these are automatic. Both of these are manual. This car is automatic. This car is electric. Now, I get a ton of flack for this car. This seems to be, well, I can't even say this is everyone's favorite. This is the newer. It's incredible when it comes to 0 to 60, handling all of that. It's weird because I'm really falling in love with some of these older cars with the manual feel, especially the air-cooled. It is just so fun, such an experience. The noise, the smell, the feel, the kids love it. And so that's been a blast. But more than anything else, it's fun with these older cars because you can buy them and know you're not losing money like you are with these other cars. They've only gone up in value at this point, and we got some really cool ones. We have one more really cool one coming. And then if you guys want to come over here, this is the area I was talking about that we didn't end up using. So this goes straight through into the backyard. We're gonna close that up. I just ordered a new treadmill that I'm really excited about. Then this has been my favorite for doing cardio. It's been awesome. I bought it on Amazon. It was only like 1,500 bucks, and that's been sweet. But we also, throughout all of this, we've got a camera in here somewhere. We've got a camera up there. We've got cameras around the exterior. And I teamed up with an awesome company. They're the same company I've been using to put cameras in at all of my storage units and my larger multifamily properties. And they have a cool new product we're now starting to put in our smaller units, so you can make sure dogs aren't pooping on the yard and all of that. So I'm gonna put a link down below, but we're gonna talk about that a lot more in the future, because as a real estate investor, having cameras at an affordable price has made a world of difference. It helps with dealing with evictions. It helps with making sure you're not getting poop. It helps if anything bad happens, vandalism, all of it. And so I've been really excited investing back into the properties to protect those assets. Now, last thing, if you guys are interested in the retreat, I am so excited about what it's turned into, about the content, and about the 30 people that we already have coming. We have some phenomenal investors. We also have some really cool people that haven't pulled the trigger, but have done exceptional things in their own business to put themselves in a place where they can. So if you meet the criteria for either of those, make sure that you message me on Instagram or click the link below, and there's a place for you to submit a little form with an application, or click the link down in the description. There's a place for you to send over your info and we can connect on a phone call, see if it'd be a good fit. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video, I've been back and forth a lot on whether I want to do one on a full house tour. And so let me know in the comments, like, subscribe, and we'll see if we end up doing that video. In the meantime, thanks so much. Have a great day.